everybody. Well, I just got the storm shutters on just in the nick of time. I'll tell you what, it was a little bit of an ordeal because the wind was really catching those storm shutters and, well, they wanted to act like a kite, but I got it done. But I wanted to come on because I wanted to share something with you. I want to say this to you. The show premieres tonight, the Secret Restoration Show on the History Channel. And that's going to be 10 p.m., 9 p.m. Central Time. I'm just nervous. I'm so nervous, but excited all at the same time. And I'm counting on you guys. I'm counting on you guys to show up and watch the show. The cast on this show, they're incredible, and they do some really incredible restorations. Go over to the History Channel and sign on over there, and then leave your comments. Say, hey, listen, Leah, I checked out this show. I really liked the restorations, or I really loved the cast.